Number 1, Aviceras. N. Aviceras. Move. Back to your position. Number 2, clockwise. Move. Number 3, costados. Move. Back to your position. Number 4, counter, clockwise. Move. Number 5, cross arms. Move. Back to your position. Number 6, cut your right foot. Cut. Number 7, cross over. Move. Back to your position. Number 8, draw your right foot. Draw. Number 9, abracete. Move. Back to your position. Number 10, arms in lateral position to your right. Place. Back to your position. Number 11, arms in T position. Place. Back to your position. Number 11 and 12, bilao to your left. Place. Next, number 13. Back to your position. Number 13, start with left hand. Start. Move. Okay, back to your position. Number 14, stomp your right foot backward. Stomp. Again, stomp your right foot backward. Stomp. Next, number 15, sarok to your right. Sarok or move. Sarok to your right. Move. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to your position. 16 na lang. 16, saludo. Move. Back to your position. 17, masiwa. Your right hand. Masiwa. Or place. Or move. Back to your position. Number 18, haleo. N. Move. Back to your position. Number 19, hapay. N. Remove. Hapay. Back to your position. Last, number 20, salok. Your right hand. Salok. Thank you.